and welcome back to your YouTube channel. We are sorry for keeping you without content for some time now. I want to use this medium to apologize for being away for a long time. It was due to circumstances beyond our control. Today, we want to show you how to make calls on your phone with just a button. Before we begin, this trick really works on Nokia devices, especially devices like this. Nokia 105 and its later versions. Let's get started. To make this trick work for you, you must do this. Go to your contact, go down, locate speed dials, click on it. As you can see, mine was on, so I need to turn it off so I can show you properly. So you go back, put it on, go back, go to edit, assign a number, for example, key 2. You can assign this number for a call, equally for SMS. So you go to assign for call. Before we can do that, let's go back and save a number. 180, save. Go back to your contact, locate speed dials, go back to edit. Remember, we just set a number 180, so click on assign, click on assign to call, locate MTN, add. Do you know you have just assigned a number to your keyboard? Sometimes you call it keypad because this is the phone. So you don't have to stress yourself to dial any number. What you just need to do is to press number 2. Have you seen? That started dialing. So what you need to do is go back to speed dial to check if truly we did save 180. Let's dial again so you can confirm. 180, good. So you don't need to stress yourself to dial any number. Just like we're trying to save a third number by doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here you can see there are some countries that have many numbers like this. So there are sometimes you don't know this number of it. Don't have to even stress yourself. All what you need to do is to pick this stress off your mind by using this trick. Save the number. You can save it. Armenia. Go to OK to save it. Have you seen the many numbers we save? To save the stress of not dialing this number each time you want to make a call. Remember, we just assign a number to number 2, which is 180. So let's go to number 3 by assigning this number. Go back to your contact. Locate speed dials. Go to edit. Look for number 3. Good. As you can see, it is empty. If you can go back, you see that number 2 was assigned for 180, which we had already done. Let's assign the Armenia to number 3. Assign to call. Search for Armenia. Armenia, select. As you can see, you don't have to stress yourself each time you want to call Armenia because you just save it to number 3. So let's go back to our menu. Press number 3 and O. Armenia is dialing. So you don't stress yourself each time you want to call Armenia because of this trick. Equally, you can use this trick to send an SMS without stress. All you need to do is save the number you want to assign for your SMS. By doing this, I'm saving this 131 as MTN. Okay, let's see, MTN 2. We go back to contact to locate speed dials. Edit. Remember, we have assigned number 2. We have equally assigned number 3. Let's see if number 4 is empty. So let's assign the SMS we just saved. Assign to SMS. MTN 2. MTN 2. Good. So let's see what will happen if you want to send an SMS to 131. Press number 4 and hold. Have you seen? It has taken us to our message write menu. All what we need to do is write any message we want to write. Then go to option, click send. Have you seen? The number 131 has just been included. This really works, or this will really help you if the number is much, like 15 digit or 10 digit. The next thing to do at this juncture is to press OK so it can start sending. Have you seen? That sends. Have you seen? It's showing this error because I did not use the direct or the right code for this network. If it was a right code, it would have delivered and maybe give me the right reply I needed. So you can use a correct code that matches your network in your respective country. Let's go back so you can really get what we said. To assign a number to this trick, easily go to your contact because this trick is to help you use one code to make a call. For example, number 2, we have assigned a number for number 2. Have you seen that started calling? Number 3, we equally did that started calling Armenia. Number 4 was an SMS that's opened a right message box, which is just to type user's option to send it. Before we go, we need to start all over so you can understand how the whole process started. Go to your menu, enter contact. Go down to speed dials. You need to on it, turn it on before this trick can work. At this juncture, it has been turned on. All you need to do is to go to edit to assign each numbers for this process. I hope this video has really helped you solve this problem. Do well to drop a comment in case you don't understand anything. Subscribe to our channel so you can always get a new update from us. Thank you for watching. Thank you for choosing Brain Tech channel.